Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Are you ready for today's episode? Let's get into it. And today we're making crispy dogs. This is a really simple, easy, and cheap recipe. All you need is some tortillas, hot dogs, toothpicks, pan, and oil. Very simple. I already have my pan pre-warmed. I'm going to add some oil to the pan. There you go. Medium low. And then we're going to wrap these rascals. Now you can set these in the microwave for about 20 seconds, 15 seconds. That way they're more pliable, easier to wrap. You're going to grab your hot dog, your tortilla. You're going to fold it in. You're going to grab a toothpick and then stick it. And you're going to do that about 4 more times. And you can use corn or flour. I only had a flour at the time, so that's what I used. Almost done. And one of these weenies is doing its own thing. There we go, we're gonna wrap it. And that should be hot dog number 4. Put those out of the way. And there we go. They should look something like that. And then into the frying pan. And there you go. Now when you do your first flip, you're going to remove the toothpicks. Now these two, I'm going to put in the air fryer. I want to do a taste test. Set them at 370 for about 7 minutes. Those are looking golden brown. Those are just about done. And at this stage, the toothpicks are already removed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And there you go. So the ones on the left are from the frying pan, the ones on the right are from the air fryer. And that doesn't taste too bad. That's actually pretty good. It's very light. Okay, let's go ahead and try the fried ones. Definitely better. Something about them being cooked in the pan just tastes better. Let me make sure. Yep, tastes good. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.